In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your WordPress content management software. So if you want to keep your WordPress up to date, apart from just updating your plugins, you also need to make sure that the WordPress content management software, it is up to date. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get into it. So I have here my website. You can see this is a WordPress website, but I'd like to go ahead and update this WordPress content management software. To do so, first you'll need to go ahead and log into your cPanel. So if you can't remember your cPanel login details, you can just go ahead and log in directly. Alternatively, if you can't remember your login details, first you'll need to go ahead and go to your web hosting company and then log into the client area by clicking on client login here. And once you click on it, it will take you to your client area section. As you can see here, I can see my domains of all the websites that I have, and also I can see all the services that I have. Currently I have two, and I'd like to go ahead and update WordPress for one of them. And the good thing, I can directly log into cPanel direct from here. And to do that, just click on this option, cPanel login. If I click on it, it will take me directly to cPanel. Now, under this, you need to go ahead and look for software section. Now, if I scroll down, you can see here is my software section, and here you can see, or you can identify the softwares that are running on your website. And for my case, mine is running on WordPress content management software. So I'll need to go ahead and select it, and this will go ahead and open all the details about my WordPress content management software. Now, if I click on this down arrow, I'll be able to see some of the details about the current status of my WordPress content management software. And one of the things you can do is to go ahead and update it. So you can see mine is already up to date. If you look here, you can see it is up to date. And also you can see here, I have the current or the latest version. So if you're not sure if you have the current or the latest version, you can just go ahead and look for WordPress, and that is wordpress.org. And from here, you should be able to see the version. The latest version is 6.82. So this is the latest version that you should be having, or that should be running your website. And as you can see, mine is one of the latest. Now, in case you have an outdated version, you will see an option to update. So go ahead and click on update, and this will go ahead and update your WordPress website to the latest version. So that's how you can easily update your WordPress to the latest version. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.